Governor Andy Beshear says efforts to slow the spread of the coronavirus are working, and he's calling on Kentuckians to limit gatherings this Christmas to prevent a new spike in cases. Testing sites are seeing a surge of folks before the holidays, but health experts warn a negative test result isn't enough to guarantee a safe celebration with family. Grace Feinerman explains why, first on Fox.
Testing for COVID-19, vital according to experts to slow the spread, but they warn a negative test isn't a free pass, meriting large gatherings.
I think the tests are picking up less of the COVID than it should be at this point.
Emergency physician Dr. Ryan Stanton says back during Thanksgiving, he got a COVID-19 test and tested negative, just to test positive with another test soon after.
8 people who had COVID typical symptoms, only 2 ended up testing positive.
While experts say testing is a useful tool, the doctor says it's safest to stay home this Christmas. He suggests getting together with people from different households virtually. Dr. Stanton says we saw an increase in cases after Thanksgiving. After Christmas, he says he anticipates numbers to go back up. This is all as 2 vaccines in the U.S. have been given the green light. Next week, more than 27,000 Pfizer vaccines are supposed to arrive in the Commonwealth. The first shipment of the Moderna vaccine is expected next week. With only a few more big holidays left in the year and hope from these vaccinations, Dr. Stanton warns us not to give up on our fight yet.
What we don't want to do is see, somebody get COVID and have a complication from COVID in these last days before we likely have an exit strategy for them.
In Lexington, Grace Feinerman for the Fox 56 10 o'clock news.
Dr. Stanton says hospitalization numbers in Lexington have picked up over the month, and he believes they reached their peak about a week ago.